10 genius hacks to save money on a whole nother level. Number 1. Lower your utility bills. Use www.whitefence.com to compare your existing internet, television, home phone, home security, and so on to other service providers in your area. You could also see what kind of deals your existing providers are offering and ask if they'll give you a better deal. Number 2. Consider dropping the home phone. Switch your home phone to Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, or VoIP, using a device such as Ooma or Magic Jack. You can keep your old number or eliminate the landline altogether and use your cell phone or Skype with your friends and family. Number 3. Lower home and auto insurance premiums. Consider raising the deductibles on your home and car insurance. By increasing your deductibles, you will lower your annual premiums, but be sure that you have access to emergency cash reserves to cover any accident that may occur. You also want to do your homework and make sure you've chosen insurance that's appropriate for your particular home or car. And also, depending on your state, can also factor in a whole bunch of stuff, so make sure that you do everything correctly. Number 4. Shop your cell phone plan. Make sure you're not paying too much for your cell phone. Go to My Rate Plan and enter your current minutes, data, and messages to see if you can lower your bill. Also consider a no-contract cell phone plan. You'll pay for the phone up front, but the monthly payments are typically reduced. You could use cash instead of credit. You'll find that handing out 5 hard-earned $20 bills is much harder than swiping a credit card. Also, it will help you determine the difference between a need and a want. Paying cash for something you want but do not necessarily need will be much harder with cash than credit. According to Forbes magazine, studies have shown people are more likely to complete a purchase if they intend to pay with a credit card than with cash. Because I don't know about you, but personally, I would not want to give someone my money if it was a $1 bill, right? But when you fill up your gas tank at the, gas station, you don't even think about spending 20, 30, 40, even $50 sometimes, depending on how big of a vehicle you have. It's pretty crazy when you really think about it. It's so easy mentally and emotionally to spend money using a chip or a card, right? But when it comes down to cash or even using coins, my goodness, it is very difficult to do that. Number 6, focus on the major expenses. Major items include a new car, house, vacation, or other big-ticket items. Spend very serious time evaluating these purchases, as they will make much more of an impact long-term than saving $5 on coffee. A few websites that can help. Cars, TrueCar. You can see what others are paying for your new or used car to confirm you're getting a good deal. House, Zillow or Trulia. See what other houses have sold for in the area when purchasing or selling a home. Now, obviously, Zillow or Trulia is basically just a reference point. It's not necessarily a for sure thing. Vacations, Kayak is a good place to start for travel deals. Number 7, consider private label over name brand goods. This can be for groceries, clothing, or any other item. You can save 30% to 40% just by choosing the private label brand with potentially no loss in value. Costco's Kirkland brand is a good example of this. Remember, part of the price on a name brand item goes to the manufacturer's marketing budget. This is not the case with private label products. Number 8, cut cable. For some, this is a non-starter, but if you do not have to watch sports on cable, is a viable option. The combination of an HD antenna, Netflix or Hulu, and the ability to stream content from your computer to your TV means you can still catch your favorite shows. The major networks typically provide recent episodes online for free. Try TV.com for the online options of your favorite content. At a minimum, consider cutting premium channels or set top boxes that you do not use. Number 9, create a forced savings plan. A budget is not necessary if you automate your savings. Don't spend what you don't have and pay off your debts monthly. You could also have a percentage of your income, say 10%, automatically redirected into savings, such as your bank account or 401k, without ever seeing it. So a good example of this is basically you paying yourself first, like you yourself is a bill, right? Number 10, use an online budgeting tool. Online tools can do a lot of work for you. Mint, for example, is a free personal financial management service that tracks your income and spending. It doesn't force you to save, but it does tell you where your money is going and helps you monitor your savings goals. You'll note that none of these 10 tips requires you to make significant changes to your lifestyle today. It is just a matter of spending your money wisely. Check out 40inbox.com to master your money. Personal finance lessons and courses. Want to make money online? Learn the 4 steps to make money online in the description.